Flakes are coming down right now, my friend. Oh, it looks pretty right behind you. How's it looking?
It is pretty. And you know, I'll take this kind of snow because there's no wind, right? I mean, all our teams were out across the board in a blizzard, and that, not as fun, I'll be honest, as opposed to this really beautiful, light, fluffy snow that is just kind of adding to the snow that we picked up on Monday. In terms of how much, I mean, you guys talked about it. We're talking generally a dusting to 1 to 2 inches. Most of that will probably be about north of town. But I will say the snow is sticking, depending on where you are, depending on if the road has been treated. We headed downtown this morning. I'm outside of the Staten Island Ferry. We've had about 2 rounds of passengers come through thus far this morning. The sun being up, we're going to get a lot more action as we get closer to the peak commute hour. But so far, so good. Now, I will say, you take a look at some of the ground conditions. You know, I've been out here since before the sun came up. This is not the fresh snow that's falling. Some of it, yes, has been sticking to the ground, as you mentioned, Britta, right? There is snow, and so that snow being cold will cling on to these flakes a little better. But generally, I'd say at most we're talking a couple tenths of an inch that has already accumulated. But just in the last 2 hours, it's a pretty hefty band. But look at this. This is behind me. You have the bus station. The ground is quite wet but clear, and that's because they came through and of course treated the roads through the bus lanes. A couple folks starting to come in, make their way closer to the Staten Island Ferry. But where we haven't seen treated roads, and I'm sure there are many, there is a little coating, a little dusting on top of that, so just take it slow because that's where it could be slick. But in terms of the snow this morning, I do think this is probably going to be out of here by about 9 o'clock in the morning. And for anybody who's saying, okay, are we done yet, right? I mean, this being quite beautiful, temperatures have actually warmed up a bit. I've been looking at those observations hour by hour. This being a warm front means that we've got kind of the wet, chunkier flakes. I'm trying to catch some of them on my gloves here, and so this will likely start to melt away, but it'll bring a nice added dusting to some of the trees. And then as we get into the afternoon, we're breaking into about 40 degrees. So there will be some additional melt for anybody who's not too happy about the dusting to 1 to 2 inches of snow that we do have here. But real quick, in terms of what New York City has been doing to combat this snow, because like I said, it is sticking on some sidewalks, untreated roads, they do have about 700 salt spreaders that are deployed across the city. Now, some boroughs faring better than others, right? We had the 5-borough tour with Haley Meyer yesterday. Staten Island, still in a real tough spot. A lot of their roads have yet to be plowed. They are on top of the 700 additional salt spreaders, continuing to deploy all of their resources as they really start to target those narrower side streets that were largely neglected throughout the day yesterday, on Monday afternoon, just because they worked on the main arteries first. But Craig, Britta, I mean, so far so good. I will say it's a really quiet, beautiful way to start the day, although for commuters, maybe opening the door, they're sick of seeing the snowfall.
And I will say, Jane, for anybody that's watching that's never been to New York, you're standing in front of my favorite, best kept secret of New York City.
Free.
Exactly. The Staten Island Ferry, it's free. It's a 20-minute ride out, a 20-minute ride back. You get 40 minutes of a free boat ride and the best view of the Statue of Liberty for your family vacation photo. So there you go. Get yourself a hot dog. Go take a nice photo.
Aw, Jane, I love you.
Jane, good to see you.
I love it.